Good day everyone. We are here today to discuss on how will you install Windows 10 to your computer. Today, I'm here with Jevenson, Mark, Dean and Hans to guide you throughout. So here are the steps.
Step 1. Open the VirtualBox. Click the New button. Name your virtual operating system to Windows 10. Then, click the Next button. Set up your memory size at least 8GB of size.
Step 2. Go to Settings. Then go to Storage. And this is where you are going to connect the Windows 10 ISO file.
Step 3. Click the empty button. In the optical drive, choose the disk file. Then, select your ISO file.
Step 4. Click the Start Navigator in the main menu. Hit the Start button and the button will start up.
Step 5. We are now configuring the Windows operating system. I don't have a product key. Choose your type of operating system version. This time, we're choosing Windows 10 Pro. Check the license agreement. Hit the I accept the license terms. Next button. In this time, hit the second bar, Install Windows Only. Click Next, then wait for the installation. Please wait for a while for installing the Windows. Take note, while booting, remove the ISO file. Go to Settings, click Storage, click Windows 10 ISO file, go to Optical Drive, then remove disk from Virtual Drive. This may take a while to boot. Now, the Windows is starting up. So, in this section, let's start with region. What you want to choose? United States. Yes. The keyboard layout, we choose the US. Want to add a second keyboard layout? Skip. Now we have to wait for a while again. How would you like to set up? So, for us, we set this up for personal use. Click Next. So, let's add our account. So, in this time, we name it BSIT. Okay. So, offline account. So, in this step, just click the next.
Who's going to use this PC? We name it again BSIT 2K Students. Password, anything you want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Password is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then next, so let's confirm our password. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Again your password. Just a moment. So in this time, just accept. Let Cortana help you get things done. So basically we don't need that much. So not now. Here we are, the Windows 10 operating system.